Today we will be testing metal cutoff wheel from different brands to see which brand is the best.
We have built a super to have a fair and repeatable test with all discs. For each disc, we measure the actual thickness, as the thicker disc will take longer to cut. The test consists of cutting 3 sections of 3x6mm steel bar in quick succession, with 2.5 kg of ballast in addition to the weight of grinder. All discs declare a thickness of 1mm, except Makita and Bosch that the thickness rises to 1.6mm. We then check the weight and the diameter, comparing the results obtained with ones at the end of the test. Here are the rankings drawn up after the 3 cuts. For the cutting time, the Workpro is the best, but with light detachments, slower the Makita and Bosch for the higher thickness. The rankings of the weight and diameter are quite overlapping, with some exception. The Bosch take the lead with only 1.3mm lost compared to the original diameter.
For wheel with thickness of 1mm, on average the best are Workpro, KVB and Amazon Yumi.
For reliable and long-lasting disc, you can rely on the 1.6mm Bosch.
Thanks for watching the video.
I will look forward to next time.